Acirithania Olga Sewe, John Chigiti na Josephine Mongare nio mateanirie mateta mothe manana maria marari thiini wa cira uria urahanditwo igoti-ini wa kuregana na igoti ria nyumba riria Kenya makoretwo makiriha.
So then what that means is that
omwe wa mateta maya ni ati watho wa waki wa nyumba cia raithi uria wahitukirio ni bunge na ugikirwo kirore ni President William Ruto nduombitwo na mithingi ya gigatiba no acirithania aya ni mareganire na uhoro uyu.
Purpose and effect of the Act is to promote and fulfill the constitutional duty of the state to provide housing in line with the decision of the Supreme Court in the Mitudel case. Is our finding that Section 3 and 4 are constitutional and do not in any way infringe Article 43(1)(b) of the Constitution.
Na kana muingi no akuruhanirio wega mbere ya kwetukio kwa igoti riri ni bunge ni undu ungi urari cira-ini uyu no acirithania maugite ati kuri na uira wa kuigana kuonania ati muingi no akuruhanirio na ni waheanire maoni.
Court affirmed that the National Assembly had conducted public participation in a constitutionally compliant manner. This determination by a court of concurrent jurisdiction found that the National Assembly carried out public participation in accordance with the law.
Hamwe na uguo undu ungi uria uratetagio igoti-ini ni kana thirikari ni ibatie ni kuhuthira migunda ya muingi gwaka nyumba ici na igoti riugite ati thirikari iri na rutha ruu.
It is therefore our finding that Section 41 of the Affordable Housing Act is not in conflict with Article 67 of the Constitution, as it provides that the use of public land shall be aligned with the Land Act.
Maundu mangi maria maraigagirirwo kabiru-ini ni igoti ni ciuria cia kana thirikari ni raigagirira wira wa thirikari cia kaunti na njira ya gwaka nyumba icio gicunji kiria Kenya mabatie kurengwo kia waki wa nyumba ici na kana ni ruhonge rwa KRA rubatie ni kungania magoti maya maundu maya mothe magiteanirio ni igoti na kwirikana ati hatire handu thirikari ithiete mugaru na watho.
We came to the conclusion that it is clear that the collector for the purposes of the Act is KRA, is the Commissioner General KRA, and that is in tandem with the basic authority of as provided for in the Act itself.
Itua riri riu ni ria kuga ati AKENYA maguthii na mbere na kuriha magoti maya na gicunji kia 1.5 hari igana. Hadwine ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.